How to fix GeForce Now packet loss. The first thing that we're gonna do is run the internet test. So let's go to the menu, settings, gameplay, and here it is, test network. Check your packet loss, latency, bandwidth, and network quality. NVIDIA recommends less than 80 ms latency to its data center. NVIDIA recommends less than 80 ms latency to its data center, and preferably under 40 for a better experience. And here as we can see, I may experience stuttering or high latency. Now, the other thing that you can do is set the server location to auto. However, if I know by default it's set to auto. However, I don't live in Bulgaria, but I'm close to Bulgaria, so it automatically chose the Bulgarian server. But I also live close to Germany and France and Poland. So if the server that GeForce Now chose for you by default is laggy, try choosing servers that are also close to you, and then test the network. And then go to details and compare the servers. The other thing that you can do is use Ethernet instead of Wi-Fi. This is probably the biggest fix that you can do. Now, if you have to use Wi-Fi, make sure you're using 5 GHz Wi-Fi and not 2.4. Now, the other thing that you can do is check whether the problem is on your end or on their end. So we can open up command prompt. I'm gonna run as administrator as I always do. And then you're gonna type in this command. And let's press enter. And here, look at the MS. If you see huge jumps such as 300 or 500 somewhere, the packet loss problem is on your end and not on their end. So you would have these packet losses whatever you do. So no matter what game you play, no matter what server, the MS that you get here is the fastest possible MS you can get. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.